Hello, everyone. This is the week of April 13th to the 20th, and we are not going to have our interactive Zoom meet this morning. There's a lot of reasons for it, but the main one is that I think I need to spread out that time over the week, and I need to use that time to have individual meetings. So, this walkthrough will be a little bit longer than it usually is. Sorry for that, uh, but I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to talk with me as we wind down the all the other assignments for the class and we gear up for the last 3 weeks of class, which is all research all the time. And so I need to talk with people who are frankly either concerned or freaked out by what's happening, and see if we can get everybody on track. That's my theory anyway. We should be back to the interactive Zoom sessions next Monday, uh, but I want to see what happens if we do this week. All right. So first, make sure that you fill out the Google form. That is, that Google form is in week 13 through 20, just like it normally is. Just fill that out, put your name on it, and just do it by the end of day today, when you get to it. Uh, I want you to pay especially close attention to emails and Blackboard announcements because there will be more of them this week. Uh, and I will also be posting a Zoom link for office hours. So uh, each day, like this afternoon, there will be one from 1:30 to 3:30, and you can come and talk with me. There'll be one on Wednesday that will be a different link, trying to stop these Zoom bombers from messing things up. And then on Friday there'll be another link. So if you would pay close attention to your um, Blackboard announcements and emails. Um, Make sure you understand that the critique papers are being graded but not marked. If you get a grade on your paper that you're unsure of and want me to mark your paper to justify it, please do so. Just send me the information and I will mark it physically within limits. My eyes are pretty bad right now, and they seem to be getting worse, but I'll do that within my own limits. All right, the next thing I want you to do is go to week of April 13th to April 20th, which is right here. And again, I've noticed the grading critiques but not marking. Uh, this is the form you need to fill out right here, like you normally do. There's the virtual office hours scheduling, and you'll see the links. The links will be here, will be at the announcements, on the announcements, and they'll also be here. So they'll be in two different places, so you can't miss them. Um, just to scroll down through this, there's a sample analysis paper here that you might want to look at. It's a draft, so it's not quite finished. So as you do your analysis paper on the political cartoon, and I think I've approved all of the cartoons for people who submitted them up until yesterday afternoon. I'll look for a few more today, but everybody seems to be on track with that. Here's the writing assignment. Here's the prompt and what I want from you. And that's pretty much it for the week. And just to let you know, after this week, it's all about research papers. So the only things that we'll be due after this week will be anything that you haven't finished that you want to complete, the analysis paper, and the research paper due at the end. So I'm hoping that you can turn stuff into me and I can have a look at it. People who've turned in the research papers, I've not been able to do them justice yet because there's just been too much other work. But these last 3 weeks are going to be to get your research paper in the best shape it can possibly be in, or your project. And so there'll be that. And then the last thing we're going to do is to write the reflection on how you wrote your paper. That shouldn't be a big project at all. So mostly research paper and the reflection on the research paper. And I don't have all of that actually up on Blackboard yet, but it won't be. It'll be this week sometime when I get that up. All right, so that's basically what we've got this week. Um, and I think that's pretty much all I have for you guys. You can the analysis paper is due next Monday on the 20th. Uh, you'll notice that there are no work plans and no research uh, reflections this week. Um, I thought about putting them in there and making them optional for you to do if you wanted, and I'm still thinking about doing that, but there will be no required work plans or reflections. So uh, that's pretty much it for the week. Um, if you have any questions, let me know. And I just want to try the virtual office hours this week because I'm getting people who are upset and worried, and I just want to be available to help allay those fears. Everybody's going to make it. Believe me, everybody's going to make it. I sincerely believe that the university, and that includes me, have kind of broken our contract with you, and we are obligated to do as much as we can to help you finish this semester and to keep you intact educationally and grade wise. So do not fret about grades. Everything will be just fine. And you all are a constant source of pride for me because of the hard work you continue to do. So enough of me talking. Have a great week. Come to my office hours. Schedule an office hours time if you want, or we can rig something up another time during the day to talk, early or late. Okay, that's all I got to say. Thanks a lot. Talk to you during the week.